Hey, Big Rich here. Got another project going on. Decided to remodel the bathroom in the house. Why am I taking on another one of these projects? The house is kind of dated. We got plastic walls. Not sure what they call that, Marilade or something like that. Shut up! Got some plastic walls. Some of the trim's falling down. Sliding glass door. Got plastic on the front. Tile's not in bad shape and okay, but kind of old school to tile up the walls 4 feet. We got a little problem with the toilet, so it's, again, as you can see, it's tan colored. So toilet's tan colored. We got some old sinks here. Again, you know, the old shell style. Take a look down in that. It's okay, but again, just dated. People aren't doing that anymore. So house was built in 1984, so it's been over 30 years. I think it's time to have Big Rich take a little look at making an improvement. So here we go. Well, as you can see, I'm making progress on the demolition of the bathroom. In some places I've taken it down to the studs. So what I do know, my house is a little bit different. They have 1/2-inch drywall and then plaster over drywall, so it's kind of twice as thick as you would normally expect in a house. I was going to try and patch in the bottom half and put new drywall up, but I'd have to space it out. I think it's a lot less work just to take out everything all the way up to the ceiling. So I'm going to do that demolition and tear out the upper half also and just put fresh drywall down. I think it'll go faster. And again, I got this nasty corner bead that again will come out when I do that. So I got most of the tub and surround out. The surround around the tub. I'll try and pull out the tub today and continue with the demolition of the rest of the walls. I did happen to find the shutoffs for the tub, which was good, so now I can pull the tub out. It's something you probably don't ever want to do in your house. They put the shutoffs behind the drywall, plaster, and tile. So good luck ever getting to those shutoffs. When I redo this, I'll put a wood panel in over the top, so at least you can get to the shutoffs and turn them on and off if you need to. So more demolition, tub, toilet, that's what's next. Continue working. Alright, we're making progress here. We got all the wallboard off the wall, the plaster. Started to work on the floor. Have a pretty unique floor in the house. They put this tarp paper down on the subfloor and then wire mesh, because they actually put concrete down, pretty thick concrete. You can see, here's my thumb and how thick it is. So I'm just taking a sledgehammer and kind of beating the edge, and then a crowbar gets underneath it and popping it up with the crowbar. So it's hard work, but you know, don't know of a better way. I want to start with a clean floor when I'm done. So that's the next part of the project. Well, the tear out is complete. And as you can see, I started putting some green board in just really above the shower area. Got a new light fixture put in. It's time to start dry fitting the tub in, and then my opening for the tub is 2 inches too big, so I'm going to put some spacers on this wall to just make the wall thicker here, and so I can have a flush wall across the back. But we'll take you through those details when I get a little further into the project. So, anyways, the demolition is done. We're ready to move on to start the reconstruction. Make sure to subscribe and look for my next video on the bathtub installation. That's the sitch with Big Rich.